AI can write like a human, not almost like a human, exactly like one. In this video, I'll show you how to make it happen step by step. AI text sticks out like a sore thumb, those generic phrases, that robotic flow, but here's the thing, it doesn't have to be that way. I've cracked the code on making AI text sound human, and in the next few minutes I'll show you two methods that actually work. Here's why this matters. AI is everywhere. Emails, blogs, and even social media. But generic AI text stands out in the wrong way. Let's fix that. First, I'll show you a free method to make AI match your unique style. Then I'll introduce a tool that makes it to the next level. Stick around to see a score comparison at the end. Let's start with the free method. AI models like Claude work best with clear instructions, and you can create a custom writing style that matches to your tone. You can upload your writing samples for the best results to emulate your exact writing style for a particular use case. For example, you can create one for emails by uploading few of your emails and one for your blogs by sharing your old blogs content. But if you do not have these handy, you can use these set of instructions to define a human-like style, which works great as well. Here we are asking Claude to use simple direct language. Aim for flash reading score of 80 or higher, which is the gold standard for readability. Write in the active voice, avoid unnecessary words, use plain English unless specific terms are needed. When you include these rules in your writing style, Claude can generate text that feels personal and professional. You are not just giving instructions, you are teaching the AI to write like the way you want it to. Now look at this magic. Here's what Claude wrote before our style application. And here's after. Big difference, right? The first one screams AI wrote this. See the second one. How it flows more naturally, no more robot speak, no more unnecessary fancy words, just clean human writing. This method is really effective for human readers, but when we run these through AI detectors with advanced algorithms which are tuned to detect AI's predictability, this method no longer works effectively as the AI detectors are getting more and more sophisticated. Now let's take it up a notch. Tenor Share AI Bypass fine-tunes AI text with advanced algorithms. It makes text sound human and improves its score on AI detectors. Here's how it works. Just open the link given in the description and create an account on it. Now there are three modes. Fast mode is for quickly converting it, while balanced mode takes a little bit of time but is able to bypass most detectors. And finally, you have the ultra enhanced mode for the strictest AI detectors. For this demo, we'll be using the balanced mode. Now it will take few minutes to convert it, and after converting it, it will also run through the popular AI detectors and will give us a humanization score. Look at this. Original score flagged as AI. After Tenor Share AI bypass, it's almost indistinguishable from human written text. And the good thing about this tool is that it doesn't kill the essence of the article and maintains the original meaning which you had originally given it. The free trial gives you 500 words to play with, but if you want to use it to do extensive work, you can subscribe to the basic plan, which costs around $10 per month for 10,000 words per month usage. And if you want to use the ultra enhanced mode to bypass strictest AI detectors like Turnitin or Winston AI, then you can subscribe to the Pro plan for $20 a month, which also gives you 50,000 words usage per month. Want to try it? Click the link in the description for a free trial. And if you think this is cool, wait till you see what's next.